Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we're going to cover what to do when your hidden login URL gets compromised. We'll show you how to rechange your exposed custom login URL and add an extra layer of defense using Google reCAPTCHA with Ultimate Security. To fix this, let's head over to Settings, then Login Authentication, and click on Login Hardening. You can see the old secret login URL is right there under Custom Login URL. Since this one is compromised, we need a fresh start. Type in a new, unique custom slug. Once it's set, hit Save Changes. Remember to bookmark your new URL immediately so you don't accidentally lock yourself out. Now, the old leaked URL has been changed, but rechanging the URL is only half the battle. If a bot ever again finds the new slug, you want an absolute roadblock waiting for them. That's where automated bot protection comes in. Next, we navigate to Threat Protection on the left menu and click on Bot Protection. Here, we'll enable Google reCAPTCHA. Let's select reCAPTCHA version 2, which provides that familiar, secure checkbox for users. Now, put in the Google site key and secret key and click Verify Keys to make sure the connection to Google is perfect and secure. You can get the keys for free from the Google Admin Console. Before saving, let's look at a few powerful settings built right into Ultimate Security. If you scroll down, you can fully customize your reCAPTCHA message boxes and layout. Also, toggle on No Conflict mode. This is a great benefit that ensures your security settings play perfectly with your other active plugins. Plus, if you run an e-commerce site, there's a dedicated toggle to instantly protect your WooCommerce login forms as well. Click Save Changes, and our twin defenses are now fully activated with a new hidden URL and a bot shield. Now, see it in action. When we visit the new login URL, you'll see the clean login page, now backed by a mandatory Google reCAPTCHA checkbox. Even if a malicious bot somehow scrapes or guesses this new URL, they cannot bypass this human verification step. Their automated scripts will fail right here, instantly protecting your server resources from being drained by heavy brute force traffic. Meanwhile, your real users simply check the box, type in their credentials, and log in smoothly. And just like that, we are safely back into the WordPress dashboard and no more bot hammering. Rechanging your custom URL periodically and backing it up with solid bot protection ensures your site stays one step ahead of automated threats. Download Ultimate Security, link in description. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more WordPress security tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.